Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to make a digital to analog converter within the multisim. Although nowadays there are DACs which are just within a single package of IC. But as they are very much expensive, so if you want to make a cheap digital to analog converter circuit, you have to follow our tutorial. So we will make a resistor ladder based digital to analog converter. For it we need to take our VCC and then we need ground. These are ticks for power supplies. After it we need to take VDD and also VEE, and these both are for the operational amplifier power. Now if resistors are concerned, we need to go to resistor and then we will take 2K and 4K resistors here. We can search for 4K and we can take them out. After it we need our 741 operational amplifier. Okay, or we will go for 741 directly, and this is our operational amplifier. For output we may need our multimeter, so this is our multimeter. Now we will rotate a bit of our resistors clockwise. Okay, or we need them like this. Okay, now we have taken nearly all the components except dip switches, so go and take the dip switches as well. So we will write here dip SW, and these are our switches. Now we will right click on it, we will like this. We need 4 of the dip switches, so we will copy this dip switch and we will paste it out here. Then we will copy and paste it out. Okay, now we need to attach all the upper ends of the dip switches with the VCC. Now with these dip switches we need 4 kilo ohm resistors, so copy them and paste them out. Now we will attach them like this, and in between these 4 4K resistors we will insert around 3 2 kilo ohm resistors. We will copy and we will paste them out. Okay, now 2 more 4K resistors must be required in order to connect with the ground and also with the opamp. So copy 4 kilo ohm resistor and again paste it out. So Okay, this one, and we can connect it like this. Copy 2K resistor and we will change its value. Okay, we will simply change its value to 4K. We can easily do it. I think so. Yeah, here you need to put 4K and connect it with the inverting end of the op-amp. What about this 4? We can connect it with the minus 12 volt. And what about 7? These both are the power terminals for the operational amplifier. Negative end of the multimeter with the output of the operational amplifier. One ground is needed to be connected with this non-inverting end. Non-inverting end of the op-amp, like this. Okay, now our circuit is completed. Now can we run it out? But we need one thing, and that is one more feedback resistance, which will be like in between 6 and output and input. So it is the feedback resistance between 6 and 2. We can fix the value to 5K. Now we can see that we are getting minus 1.62 millivolt, or we can say it is nearly equal to 0 volt. Now when we will give this is the most significant bit. S4 is the most significant bit and this is the least significant bit. Okay, so we will give the digital input and we will get the analog output. So that is why it is called as the digital to analog converter. So we are getting 1.04 volt on the output. Now if it is 0, okay, now it is 0 1 1, okay, 1 and 0, 1 and 000, because rest of the switches are open. So we will, now we are getting 1.44, so it is 0 1, and when we will change it to like 1 1, now we are getting 1.73 volt. Now we will make both of them 0 and this 4, so it is 1.924. And when we will make this one, that is 101, we are getting 2.39. And when we will do this, so we are getting 2.498, and when both are there, so we are getting 2.732. 2.73, yeah, it's good. Okay, now we are making 1,000, so we are getting 2.602. Okay, so wait, so 1,001, we are getting 3.1, when this 3.5, and this and this, so we are getting 3.7, and when this 3.9. So in this way we can convert our digital inputs to the analog output. You can change the resistance value if you want, like if you want to change the amplification parameter of the op-amp, you can change this 5 kilo ohm resistor. But for these resistors, you must know that if it is 3K here, you must have to put like 2, 3 and 6K, because the upper resistance must be double of the value of the lower resistance. So this is the main formula. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can use or how we can make a DAC in multisim. So thanks for visiting our channel.